What's up, guys? Toge Street Club here. Just gonna vlog number 2. Gonna do some Christmas shopping, take you along for the ride, maybe do some flybys, who knows. Let's find out. Hey guys, I just got home. I'm just gonna have to replace the ECU again. I'll show you here. So, like I said, we're sponsored by N75 Motorsports. Shout out to them. They sent us a spare ECU with a stage 1 tune. But as some of you already know, the DCT, I believe 2021 and up, Elantra and Kona N as well, their transmission has a recall. So we're just gonna go ahead and swap out the ECU. My appointment's tomorrow, so we'll see how that goes. Shout out to Ashwin for these gloves. Make sure not to forget to put this on. Alright, so got the spare ECU out. We're just gonna put back the OEM one. Alrighty, so we got those two ones down there, one back there, and now we're just gonna go ahead and make sure this is on tight. And you just sort of clip them back on. So see, sort of just locks into place. Keep going until you hear the snap. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed. Maybe I'm just pretty, who knows. Oh, come on. I'll do this side too. There. You'll see that clip back there start to make its way. Focus. There. So you'll see snaps into place. Make sure this side does the same thing. Okay. No, I'm not too sure. Yep, that's in. You can double check that, make sure they don't come out. The only way these come out is if you hit these little pins here in, and then it pulls up. Alright. So make sure you guys put back your battery cover. You guys saw it sort of had to make its way back. However, we're just gonna put back the terminals and then we'll start her up. Okay. Battery's all in. Brackets in there. Make sure everything's nice and tight. Battery's not going anywhere. Terminals are good. Stock ECU's in there. Alrighty, so like I said, guys, it's not really too hard. It only takes about like 12-15 minutes. So we're just gonna go ahead and start up the car. Hey guys, so this is just part 1 of our second vlog. So yeah, car's prepped for tomorrow. Other than that, it should go smoothly. Hopefully I don't have to change my whole transmission, but I'll be taking you guys along with me for the whole journey. So I'll catch you in the morning. guys, it's the morning now. The next day, it's currently 7:40. We're just gonna make our way over to Myers Kanata Hyundai. It's about 30 minutes to get there. Catch you there. What's up, guys? So I just got here to Kanata. Just gonna grab a quick bite before we head into the dealer. We're at McDonald's. You know where it is. What's up, guys? So the time is currently, it'll focus. Time is 8:33. It only took about an hour. It's pretty good. Thank you, Myers Kanata Hyundai, for booking me in so early, getting it done. Thankfully, they didn't have to replace the transmission. It was just fixing up some codes. I'll show you guys the invoice afterwards. So now we gotta do is just put back the ECU. So gonna do that. Probably just gonna stop by some side of the road here and just put it back on. Hey guys, so I hope you like those flyby clips, some intake noises and those exhaust sounds, nice pops in there. That pretty much wraps up our second vlog today. Thank you for joining me on my recall journey. It was a quick 1 hour thing, and just probably gonna head home now. So peace, see you guys on the next one.